Hello children. Hi. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Children, do you remember my name? Yeah. I'm class 1 teacher Sangeeta. Today we are going to learn one new concept in math. Okay? Children, now I'll show you some objects. Okay? Now, children, first you tell me what is this? What is this? Cup. What is this, children? Cup. Now I am putting this cup here. Okay. This side I will keep few cups. Okay. Let's count how many cups I am keeping here. This side. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. How many cups I kept here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cups I kept here? 4 cups. How many cups? 4 cups. Okay. And this side also I'll keep few cups. Now let's count this side cups. 1, 2. How many cups I kept here? 1, 2. This side how many cups I kept? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cups I kept here, children? 4 cups. How many? 4. Children, are you seeing here? How many cups I kept here? 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And here how many cups I kept? 2. How many? 2. 1, 2. Children, observe it carefully and listen carefully. Okay? Here how many cups I kept? 2. 1, 2. This side 4 cups and this side 2 cups. Okay? Now children, these cups I'll keep together. Okay? All these cups I will put together. Okay? All these cups I will put together. So, when I put all these cups together, total how many it will be? We will see. Okay? Now see here. I am bringing all these cups together. Okay? I am putting all these cups together. I kept all these cups together. Children, here are you observing? I kept all these cups together. This side cups also I brought it here and this side cups also I brought it here. So I kept together. All these cups I kept together. When I kept all these cups together, children, how many it will be now? Total how many it will be? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, now how many cups are there here, children? Total how many cups are there here? 6. Once again you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now total how many cups are there here, children? 6. How many? 6. Okay, children? Understood? Now I'll show you one more example also. Okay? Now children, let's see with one more example. What you are observing here, children? You are seeing some objects now here. What are these? Pots. Very good. Okay? Now, see here, children. How many pots are there this side? How many pots are there this side? Count. 1, 2. And this side? 1, 2. Okay, children? How many pots are there this side? 2 pots. How many pots? 2 pots. Okay? And here how many pots? 1, 2. many? 2 pots. Okay, children, here also 2 pots and here also 2 pots. Okay, now children, if I put all these pots together, how many it will be? Okay, let's see. I'll keep all these pots together. Okay, together I am keeping, children. You are observing? Together I am keeping. Now I kept all these pots together. Okay, I kept it together. Now you count how many are there. After keeping together, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many pots are there? Total how many are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many? 4. So how many are there in total? All together in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many? 4. Okay, children. Now let's see one more example also. Children, now let's see one more example. Here are some objects. Are you seeing, children? Here are some objects. Okay. What are these, children? Yeah, these are teacups. What are these? Teacups. Now, see here, children. Here are. Now, let's count these teacups, children. Okay. I'm counting from here, children. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Over. Okay. So, how many are there here, children? 14 teacups. Okay. Now, see here. How many cups are there here? 1, 2. Here how many cups? 2 cups. And here how many cups? 14 cups. Okay. How many cups, children, here? 14 cups. Okay. And here how many cups? 2. Okay. Understood, children? Here 14 cups and this side 2 cups. This side 14 cups and this side 2 cups. Children, if I put all these cups together, okay, these 14 cups and these 2 cups together, okay, let's see how many it will be. If I keep this 14 and these 2 cups together, how many it will be. Okay, now you see here, children. Now, children, see here. Now I kept all these cups together now. Now we'll count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total how many teacups are there, children, here? 16. Total how many? 16. Understood, children? So putting the objects or things together is called addition. Okay, children? What we are learning today? Addition. Putting the things or objects together is called addition. Okay? So, children, I said no. Putting the things or objects together is called addition. And what topic we are learning today? Addition. What? Addition. A D D I T I O N. Addition. Okay, children? What is the name of the topic? Addition. Okay? Now children, let's see one more example. See here children. What are these? What are these children? Crayons. What are these? Crayons. In this plate some crayons are there, and in this plate some crayons are there. Okay children. Now let's count these crayons. Okay. How many are there? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many crayons are there here children? 8 crayons. How many? 8. And in this plate 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how many crayons are there here children? 3. How many crayons? 3. In this plate 8 crayons, and in this plate 3 crayons. So children, what I said in the last example, putting the things together is called addition. Putting the things together is called addition. Now we'll see the sign of addition. In this example, I am showing you with sign of addition, children. Okay. Here 8 crayons are there, and here 3 crayons are there. So, what is the sign of addition, children? Plus. What is the sign of addition? Plus. What is this sign, children? Plus. Addition sign. Okay. Addition sign is plus. So, 8 plus 3 equals to, okay, equals to means total. Children, equal to means total. Okay, total means putting these crayons together equally. So that is total. So total, how many crayons are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total how many crayons are there here children? 11. 11. How many? 11. So addition means putting the things together. So what is the sign of addition children? Plus. What is the sign of addition? Plus. So 8 plus 3 equal to 11. Okay. Means we are keeping all these crayons together. If we keep 8 crayons and 3 crayons together, what we got? The total we got 11. Okay children, what we have learned in today's session? Addition. What? Addition. So addition means putting the things or objects together. Addition means putting the things or objects together. And what is the sign of addition? Plus. What is the sign of addition? Plus. And we learn in the next session more about addition. Okay. Again we'll meet in the next session. Okay children. Bye. See you.